Revit is the most widespread software in construction and has become the top choice for architects, engineers, and designers worldwide. Revit Workflow is simple. Every project starts with establishing levels, just as you would lay the groundwork in reality. Then, we model each building component in 3D at its respective level. Once the 3D model is built, it becomes the single source for generating floor plans, elevations, sections, and detailed drawings. This unified approach means that any change to an element in one view instantly updates across all related drawings, ensuring precision and coherence throughout the project. At Revit Gamers, we've developed a training experience unlike any other. Through immersive animations, lively visuals, and interactive lessons, we transform complex concepts into simple, engaging learning moments. Our approach mirrors the way Revit is used in real-world applications, so you're not only learning software, you're preparing to work with Revit confidently and creatively. Hi, I'm Vahid Salimi, your course instructor with years of experience in construction and architecture design with extensive hands-on experience as a BIM specialist. I'll be here to guide you step by step through mastering Revit. Whether you're a beginner or refining your skills, I'm excited to help you unlock Revit potential to bring your ideas to life with accuracy and style. If you're finding this video helpful, check out RevitGamers.com. Our courses go beyond the basics, bringing Revit to life with hundreds of dynamic visuals and animations that make complex concepts feel easy. This unique training approach is designed to speed up your learning and make BIM adoption smoother than ever. Every day, more students and companies are joining Revit Gamers Club to elevate their Revit skills. Don't miss out. Head to RevitGamers.com and see how Revit training can be fun, visual, and incredibly effective.